Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're continuing east on US-98 business concurrent with Hidden State Road 30, starting around mile 3.9 on the east side of Panama City by the local waffle shop as the roadway opens up to 2 lanes in each direction. This stretch has more open, desolate feel than the core of Panama City, with a mix of older highway commercial uses, vacant lots, and patches of overgrown vegetation set back from the roadway as we head toward the smaller bayfront cities to the east. US-98 business now enters the city of Springfield, a small Bay County community directly east of Panama City that was incorporated in 1935 and developed as part of the broader St. Andrew Bay area. Springfield has a population of just over 8,000 residents, with a median household income of about $51,600, and functions largely as a residential and working-class suburb tied to the area industry, port activity, and the military presence at Tyndall Air Force Base. Along the highway, the scenery alternates between older neighborhoods tucked just off the route, local businesses serving the east side of the metro, and occasional views toward industrial corridors that trace the shoreline. US-98 Business next enters the city of Parker, another Bay County municipality that hugs the shoreline between St. Andrew Bay and Martin Lake with about 4,000 residents as of the 2020 census. Parker is largely a quiet residential community with local amenities like the Parker Environmental Exploratorium Park, offering trails, bird watching, and views over Martin Lake, while the city's roots trace back to early 1800s settlement connected with efforts to develop the St. Andrews Bay region. Here, the highway passes clusters of roadside businesses, service stations, and neighborhood-oriented retail that serve residents and personnel heading toward nearby Tyndall Air Force Base. US-98 Business comes to its eastern terminus here in Parker, where it rejoins the main line of US-98 on Tyndall Parkway at about mile 9.1 of the business route and mile 123.7 of US-98 as a whole. Thanks for riding along on this drive. We'd like to give special thanks to channel members US Ivan Hopper, J.H., Harry Mickelson, Martin Blaze, The Big K, and Christopher Collins. You too can become a channel member for as little as $1 a month by clicking the link below. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving the video a thumbs up, subscribing, leaving a comment, sharing it with your friends, and join us for our next 504 road trip.